You may not immediately think of responsible supply chain practices as part of your corporate social responsibility, or CSR. However, by listening to and working with suppliers and customers, you can strengthen relationships, address supply chain problems, and identify new opportunities. Your supply chain is everyone involved in supplying materials to you. This includes those supplying materials to your suppliers, some of whom you may not have a direct relationship with. There are a number of benefits from developing responsible supply chain practices. First, you can enhance your reputation as a business that is good to do business with. You can also help your customers meet their commitment to CSR and become a preferred supplier. You will also find that it helps you to develop better products and services. By working with your supply chain, you can help to design out waste, inefficiency, and harmful emissions from products and services. Here are some ways you may consider to get started in this area. First, list your customers and suppliers and identify possible issues in your relationships with them. Next, decide how you are going to approach these issues and let suppliers, customers, and others involved in your business know. You can build confidence by maintaining high standards on essentials, such as paying suppliers and delivering goods on time. Make sure you respect customers and suppliers. This certainly helps develop better relationships. And finally, make sure you comply with your customers' and suppliers' auditing requirements and other formal requests. This is good business practice for everyone.